were just at Rose Good Restaurant, where we met a lot of out of state or out of town folks coming to show their support. People from all nations and all walk of life came in and showed their support. So again, we want to let everybody know if you want to really show your support, you can come to, if you're in Ohio, please stop by one of the restaurants or one of the markets here in Springfield, Ohio to show your support. Because whatever they're saying about Haitians, this shows it's not true.
This is my first time, and I'm amazed. This is so much food. I didn't expect so much food.
Yeah.
And can I go? And I like platanos. I know platanos. And I'm ready to start eating it. Okay.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
And we were recommended by this place by two friends that we met at
Gene and Jean.
Gene and Jean. What's the name of the church?
Oh gosh. Premier Evangelico.
Are you guys from Springfield or
No, we're from Michigan.
Michigan? Okay, awesome.
Yeah, we came all the way down here to eat here, so it better be good.
Now we're about to find out now.
Kind of like Daniel.
Daniel.
So I do want to warn you, that's spicy. It's not coleslaw because people think it's coleslaw. Yes.
Oh, really?
It's not coleslaw. You put it on top of the plantain, so it's spicy.
It's spicy.
Yeah, people think it's coleslaw. It's not. You get a kick.
But I want to take a little bite, so at least I can do.
Try the plantain.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, thank you. It is spicy. Oh yeah. It is spicy. Oh well, he's not exaggerating. That's spicy. Yeah.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Wow.
All right. As a Haitian American, born in Chicago, founded by Haitian, both my parents from Haiti.
That's who you are?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm here with Hacknet, Haitian Community Network in Columbus, Ohio. So I say thank you for your patience for coming out here from Michigan.
Definitely.
Try to culture food. So thank you very much.
Excellent. We've met some of your brotherhood down here in Springfield, and they've been delightful people.
So you were born in Chicago?
Born and raised in Chicago.
Like we're in Chicago.
Southside.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
He's from a Chicago suburb.
okay.
Originally from Hinsdale.
Cubs fan?
No.
He's not a baseball fan. You're a Cubs fan. My father and my brother are very big Cubs fan. I'm from south of Chicago.
I'm done. All right.
Oh, you're not a Cubs fan?
White Sox.
No, my family was Cubs fan.
Yeah. Awesome, man.
All right. What's the name? Sorry, I'm Smith.
How are you?
Pretty good, yeah? Thanks for coming out. Are you all guys from Michigan?
I'm Debbie. We're from Columbus, Ohio.
Oh, come inside?
And I have a tie to Chicago. My dad was born in Chicago.
Okay. Cool. So your dad was from Chicago?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know how you got here because what's the reason you come to Columbus?
I came to Columbus for marriage.
Okay.
Many years ago.
Okay. After a job opportunity, I went back to Chicago after being in Huntsville, Alabama for 4 years or 5 years. Got my accounting degree. In Chicago 2 years, couldn't find a job. So Columbus, 3 weeks, found a job.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes. Yeah, now I'm the marketing person for Hacknet. He's a founder of Hacknet Haitian Network in Columbus, Ohio. And director, so we just here.
Do you have a card?
Yes.
I asked him as a McKee's manager.
Card.
Yeah.
Oh, that's